Hi dear students, welcome to my class. This is for 10th students. Okay, 10th students. The chapter is same acid, base and salt. In the last class we were completed the chapter acid, base and salts. In this class I am going to discussing some exercise questions. Okay, only few I am going to discuss. So in this video I am going to discuss only 5 questions. Totally we have 15 questions. In this video I am going to discussing only 5. Okay. In that first question is like that. A solution turns red litmus blue. Its pH is likely to be option A is 1, B is 4 and C is 5 and D is 10. So please remember the trick BRA. So blue litmus paper to red we call as acidic. So red litmus paper to blue we call as basic. In this red litmus changes into blue color, then the the nature of the pH is basic. That's why the basic pH is simply 7.1 to 14. So is there any number so related to in between this number we have to consider that is the right answer. So option D has a 10. So this is the correct answer. 10 is the correct answer. First A is acidic, B 4 is acidic, C 5 is also acidic, 10B is a basic. That's why the correct answer is D. D 10. pH value is 10. pH value is 10. So basic. Okay. So the next question. 2. A solution react with crushed eggshells to give a gas that turns lime water milky. The solution contains. So simply students, this crushed eggshells contains calcium carbonate CaCO3 calcium carbonate from the NaCl, HCl and LiCl, KCl. So in among these one is acid that HCl. So HCl, when calcium carbonate reacts with HCl which gives calcium chloride CaCl2 and this 2HCl. So this is calcium chloride. So remaining is carbon dioxide. Here Ca, here Ca. Here 2Cl, here also 2Cl. So here C1, here C1. So here O3, here O2. Here hydrogen 2. That's why here 2H2O. H2O. So this is the balanced reaction. In this reaction, when calcium carbonate reacts with HCl, this produces carbon dioxide gas. This is gas, carbon dioxide gas. When this carbon dioxide reacts with this lime water nothing but calcium hydroxide. This calcium hydroxide will turns into milky color. When carbon dioxide reacts with calcium hydroxide, it will gives milky white color. So the correct answer is HCl. When HCl reacts with calcium carbonate, then only they produces carbon dioxide. This gas is responsible for milky white. Okay. The third question. So this is a very simple question. Third question. So 10 ml of a solution, 10 ml of a solution of NaOH. We have 10 ml of NaOH solution. To be completely neutralized by 8 ml. So 10 ml NaOH solution neutralized by 8 ml of given HCl. So the next if we take 20 ml in the place of 10 ml, I am taking 20 ml of NaOH solution. 20 ml of the same NaOH solution. the amount of HCl required to neutralize it will be how much ml, how many mLs are taken to neutralize this 20 ml of NaOH. So neutralized by how many ml? This is the question mark. How many ml of HCl? Simply. So carefully observe. Here 10 ml. Here 8 ml. So for 10 ml NaOH, we need 8 ml of HCl to neutralize. For this 20 ml of NaOH, exactly double. So here 10, here 20 double. So 18 double value, that is 16. 16 ml of HCl is needed to neutralize the 20 ml of NaOH. Okay. So the next question, fourth one. Which one of the following types of medicines is used for treating of indigestion? Indigestion process. Indigestion are nothing but acidity. So we have some option. Antibiotic. First option is antibiotic. So do you know what is meant by these antibiotics? These are the chemicals to destroy the microorganisms. Okay, this is what antibiotics. So next option 2B, that is this is A and B is analgesic. This is chemical used for the pain relief. Analgesic is used for pain reliefs. Next C. This C antacids. These antacids are the chemical substance. It is used to neutralize the excess of acid in stomach. That's why this is the correct answer. Neutralize the excess of acid in stomach. So next option D, we have antiseptic. So this is the chemical. It is prevent the growth of microorganisms disease causing microorganisms prevention. So this is about antiseptics. So the right answer related to digestion, that is neutralize the excess of acids in stomach, that is antacids. So antacids are generally basic in nature. So the next question is write the word equations, then balanced for the reaction taking place. Okay. Now you have a 4 questions in that. First one, dilute sulfuric acid. The first one is dilute sulfuric acid. H2SO4 plus zinc granules Zn. Next B. This is A. Next B. Dilute hydrochloric acid HCl plus magnesium Mg. Next C. Dilute sulfuric acid H2SO4 plus aluminium powder Al. So the next is D. Dilute hydrochloric acid, that is HCl plus iron Fe. So these are the some equations. When dilute sulfuric acid reacts with zinc, what we get? zinc sulfate, ZnSO4. This zinc reacts with a sulfuric acid. It produces zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. This produces hydrogen gas. H2 is the hydrogen gas. So whether check it is balanced or not. Here one Zn is there. Here also Zn is there. So 2H in here also 2H. S S O4 here also O4. The first reaction is balanced. So when this sulfuric acid reacts with zinc granules, it produces zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Okay. So the next question, next equation. When dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with magnesium, what will produces? So it produces here I am taking 2 as a coefficient. So product is MgCl2 and hydrogen gas. So check once is it balanced or not. So here 1 Mg, here also 1 Mg. So here 2Cl, here also 2Cl. So here 2 hydrogens, here also 2 hydrogens. So this is balanced reactions. So the next is H2SO4, that means sulfuric acid reacts with Al. It will produce as CMA. So here Al2SO4 taken 3 times. This is aluminium sulfate. Remaining is hydrogen. So it is not balanced. That's why you have to balance the equations. So hydrogen 2 in the reactant side, in product side also hydrogen 2. So there is no problem with the hydrogen. Next sulfur. Now you have S1 in the reactant side. In this S3 is there. That's why we have to take a coefficient here 3. So now you have 3 to 6 hydrogens. Here only 2 hydrogens. That's why I am going to take a 3 as a coefficient. 3 to 6 hydrogens. Here also 6 hydrogens. 3 sulfur. Here also 3 sulfur. Next oxygens. 3 4 12. So here 4 plus 3 4 12. So oxygens are balanced. Next is aluminium. Here Al is 1 and here is 2. That's why 2 as a coefficient. Now check is it balanced or not. 3 2 6 hydrogens. 3 2 6 hydrogens. 3 sulfur here 3 sulfur. Next 3 4 12 oxygens. Here also 4 3 12 oxygens. Next 2Al, here also 2Al. Now the reaction is balanced. Okay, Rama. So the next when dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with iron fillings, it gives FeCl2 plus hydrogen gas. So that's why for the balancing purpose I am going to take 2 as a coefficient. 2H 2H 2Cl here 2Cl, here also Cl2. Next here Fe, here also Fe. So now the reactions, all these reactions are completely balanced reactions. The hydrogens we have to show in the upper side of our mark. That's why, because this is in gaseous state. This gas is evaporates out. Okay, this is all about our today's class. We have to completed the 5 questions now. In the next class, we will discuss the further questions. Okay, thank you.